G'day guys, today we're going to change out the windscreen wipers. Easy job. So windscreen wipers are pretty easy to get off. You see this little clip here? You push that in and then push down on the arm and it will just pop off like that. It's just a J hook. So that's the hook. It's worth noting that windscreen wipers might be slightly different size. On this car the driver's side is slightly longer. So when you order your new wipers, get two different sizes. And you can see there's a new one up top. It comes with adapter clips and brackets for different styles of windscreen wipers. Here it is, same one in the packaging. This one's just a little bit shorter. To figure out which of these adapters is best for you, you can try them on. This clip goes towards the bottom. That's the clip we use to undo it. And that goes in there. So you can see this one's too big, it doesn't clip in. This one, too small, it's not wide enough for the arm. And that one, so that's the one we'll use. So this one is the longer one on the driver's side. Put this in. Push it up there. That's one wiper done. So the new one comes with a little clip installed, but it's the wrong size. So you just pop them off, put the new one in. You'll hear it click. That's how you do a wiper.